Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make butter with curd step by step. Begin with cold curd in a deep bowl and whisk or shake to separate the cream layer quickly. Once cream gathers, chill briefly, then churn until butter solids form and the buttermilk separates. Drain and rinse the butter under cold water. Salt lightly to taste, shape, and store refrigerated for up to 2 weeks for best freshness. Gather your ingredients and tools before you start to keep the process smooth and tidy. Use plain curd that is not overly watery for the best yield of butter solids. A deep bowl or jar for shaking, a whisk for manual churning, and a sieve or muslin to drain are all helpful. Keep a bowl of ice water nearby to rinse and firm the butter as you form it into a shape for storage. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing simple kitchen projects. On another note, I recommend the Kindle Paperwhite for reading recipes anywhere. It's surprisingly handy while cooking and keeps hands free. Check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for the support and curiosity. Now let's get back to the video. Stay patient and consistent while churning. Steady motion helps the cream clump into butter faster. When the mixture breaks and you see a pale butter mass and thin buttermilk, stop and drain promptly to avoid overworking the butter. Rinse the butter under cold water until the rinse runs clear to remove lingering buttermilk, then knead and salt to taste. Firm the butter in a mold or wrap it well before refrigerating for optimal texture and flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.